new dual recliner option does include the movable pedestal table that can be used here or in front of those lounge chairs from the cockpit. We're going to break away to show you how simple this dual recliner option is. With one touch of a button, the ottomans will come out, and then with a very simple push, they become dual recliners on each side for comfortable viewing of that high definition at eye level right across from this location. Each of these do provide two different lounging areas and provide a great home theater experience. We also will showcase here just how deep and expansive those are with reclining options on each side. And then we do have that movable pedestal table that we'll return to here in a moment, as we also showcase the fact that that table can be moved in front of those lounge chairs. And with this dual recliner option with the movable pedestal table, we still maintain the dual safety belts. So a great new option and enhancement to the 24V.